Renee Starms here, and I have just one very important tip to share with you today. When it comes to your business, think for the long term. Remember that in this race, it is a marathon, not a sprint. So you act accordingly. Set long-term goals and invest in yourself, invest in your marketing, and reinvest. Reinvest in marketing, reinvest in your education, your personal development, or whatever it is that's going to make you a better version of yourself. And keep moving forward in that direction. Be consistent. And when you do these type of things, you can believe that you are setting yourself up to have a sustainable, long-term business that you can enjoy for many years to come. I just wanted to share that simple tip with you. Go ahead and read the blog post below and where I expound on it a bit further. Then comment and let me know what you think. And also let me know what you do to make sure that you're operating your business for the long haul. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. I look forward to hearing from you, and take care now. Bye-bye.